concept of magnetism. मैग्नेट जो अट्रैक्ट करेगा आयरन को, निकल को, ऑलवेज टू पोल होगा नॉर्थ साउथ. Magnetic monopole does not exist if magnet broken to a smaller magnet is with north south like pole repel or unlike attract magnetic field. Region around magnet where force is felt unit Tesla. Gauss 1 Tesla is equal to 10 to power 4 Gauss. Magnetic field line emerge from north pole or enter to south pole. South pole outside magnet never cross each other. Closer line has stronger magnetic field. Permeability ability of material to allow magnetic field through it. Type of magnetic material ferromagnetic strongly attracted can be permanently magnetized. Permeability very high. Paramagnetic weakly attracted loses magnetism when field removed. Aluminium O2 slightly 1 से बड़ा होगा परमिएबिलिटी. डाईमैग्नेटिक वीकली रिपेल्ड बाई मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. बिस्मथ कॉपर AuAg slightly less than 1. Curie temperature above this temperature ferromagnetic paramagnetic हो जाता है. named after Pierre Curie. iron Curie temperature is 777 means low. Above this temperature iron loses its ferromagnetic property. Earth's magnetism. Earth behave like a giant bar magnet. Magnetic field originate from molten iron nickel core. Geodynamo effect. Magnetic pole not equal to geographic pole. Magnetic pole are 11.5 degree away from a geographic pole. Geographic north magnet is approximately magnetic south. Compass north pole point towards geographic north. Magnetic declination angle between geographic north and magnetic north at any place. Angle of deep magnetic inclination angle made by earth total magnetic field with horizontal at magnetic pole. Deep 90 degree at magnetic equator. Deep 0. India deep 30 से 45. Magnetic equator line of 0 deep passes through Central Africa, India, Indonesia. Horizontal component vertical component of earth field tan deep B by H. Isogonic line joining place of equal declination. Isoclinic equal deep. Aclinic 0 deep. Magnetic equator. Magnetic effect of electric current. Ørsted discovery. Current carrying wire deflect a compass needle. Current produce magnetic field. Biot-Savart law. Magnetic field due to a small current element B directly proportional to L by R square. Ampere's law. Summation of B dl is equal to U mu naught by I. Magnetic field around the closed loop directly proportional to enclosed current. Right hand thumb rule. Thumb point along current or curled finger show field direction around wire. Right hand screw rule. Screw advances in current direction. Rotation field direction. Solenoid a coil of many turns wound around a cylinder. Behaves like a bar magnet when current passes called electromagnet. Magnetic field inside solenoid mu naught N L current flowing through wire and number of turns. Mu naught है permeability of free space. Field is uniform inside and strong, almost zero outside. Current carrying solenoid coil is used to magnetize steel rod inside it. An electromagnet solenoid with soft iron core. Temporary magnet loses magnetism when current stop. Strength increase with number of more turn. जितना ज़्यादा टर्न होता है more current flow होगा. Soft iron core. Soft iron easy to magnetize and demagnetize. Highly permeability, low retentivity. Steel retain magnetism. Highly retentivity used for permanent magnet. Electric bell, crane, MRI machine, loudspeaker, relay switch and particle accelerator. Inductor an electronic component using a coil of wire that resists changes in electric current by storing electric energy in the form of magnetic field. Inductance property of the coil that oppose any change in the current flowing through it. V is equal to L di by dt. B induced voltage di by dt rate of change of current. ऐसा यूनिट इंडक्टेंस का हेनरी. Energy stored in inductor is 1 by half L I square. Most common inductor is tightly wound cylindrical coil solenoid. Inserting a magnetic core into an inductor changes its property. Inserting a soft iron core inside the coil massively increases the inductance. Uses choke coil. Older fluorescent tube light use a choke coil. Large inductor to produce a high voltage surge needed to start the tube. Sparking in switches. Spark will seen while switching off heavy appliance caused by the inductor's back EMF. Force on current carrying inductor in magnetic field. F is equal to BIL sin theta. Force is maximum when conductor perpendicular to field, 0 when parallel. Fleming left hand rule for motor effect. Forefinger have B field direction. Middle finger I current. Thumb force or motion. Fleming right hand thumb rule for generator effect. Induced EMF current. Lorentz force. Magnetic force on moving charge in magnetic field. F is equal to QV into B. Q charge V velocity B magnetic field. Forefinger field thumb. Electromagnetic induction. Faraday discovery. 1831 millions of magnetic flux through a coil. EMF is induced for Faraday first law. Flux linked with circuit change. EMF induced. Second law. Induced EMF rate of change of magnetic flux E minus d phi by dt. Lenz law. Induced current in direction that opposes the change, causing it conversion of energy. Magnetic flux. BA cos theta unit Weber. Rate of change EMF in volt. Self-induction changing current in coil induced EMF is same coil. Coefficient L Henry. Mutual inductance changing current in one coil induced EMF in nearby coil. Coefficient M Henry. Henry HSI of inductance named after Joseph Henry, independent discoverer of induction. Electric motor generator dynamo. Current carrying coil in B field experience force. Rotating coil in B field induced EMF. Faraday law. Electrical से mechanical से electrical. Fleming left hand rule or right hand rule. Cumulator split ring DC motor. Sleep ring AC generator alternator. Efficiency 85 से 95, 90 से 99. Large power plant generator. Fan mixer pump EV motor. Train thermal plant hydro plant bicycle dynamo. Transformer AC. Transform AC electric energy into energy between two circuits using mutual induction. Works only on AC. DC does not produce changing flux, no induction. Principal mutual electromagnetic induction between primary and secondary coil. V is 1 by V2 N1 and 2 I2 by I1. Ideal transformer इनपुट पावर आउटपुट पावर बराबर होगा वोल्टेज नंबर ऑफ टर्न ऑफ कॉइल आई करंट. स्टेप ऑफ ट्रांसफार्मर N2 बड़ा होगा N1 से. वोल्टेज इंक्रीज करंट डिक्रीज यूज इन पावर ट्रांसमिशन. स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर N1 बड़ा होगा N2 से. वोल्टेज डिक्रीज करंट इंक्रीज यूज एट होम और फैक्ट्री. ट्रांसमिशन एट हाई वोल्टेज reduces current, induces I square R losses in cable. 220 kilovolt and to 400 kilovolt for long distance. Losses in transformer. Eddy current loss minimized by laminated core. High stresses loss. Copper loss I square R in wire. Eddy current. Circular current induced in iron core. Heat loss reducing by using laminated layered core. Coulomb's law. Volta invented first chemical battery. Voltaic pile. Ampere's law. Faraday. Electromagnetic induction. Ohm's law. Henry. Self-inductance. James Clerk. Maxwell equation, Edison bulb or DC power grid, phonograph, light bulb, Tesla AC motor, Tesla coil radio, Hertz, Maxwell EM wave, Marconi wireless telegraphy, novel, Jack Kilby integrated circuit, IC chip, electric bell, electromagnetic attract, armature and brake circuit, repeats, loudspeaker, AC current in coil, guiding force in magnet, vibrate cone or sound, MRI machine, superconducting electromagnetic create very strong B field, radar, microwave sent reflected wave detector, ATM, magnetic strip store data, hard disk, magnetic domain store binary data, relay switch, electromagnetic control, high current circuit using low current signal, current I is equal to Q by T ampere, voltage W by Q, IR, RV by I, rho L by A, power VI, I square B square by R, energy PT VI T or I square RT, H Joule's law, H I square RT Coulomb's law, K Q1 Q2 by R square, F B I L sin theta, induced force, induced EMF minus d phi by dt, transformer ratio V1 by V2 N1 by N2, solenoid field B is equal to mu naught NL, Tesla. Wave mechanical or electromagnetic, wave fundamental, a wave with disturbance or oscillation that travel through space and matter, transferring energy from one point to another without transporting matter. वेवलेंथ, दो क्रस्ट के बीच का डिस्टेंस वेवलेंथ, एम्पलीट्यूड, मीन पोजीशन से क्रस्ट का एम्पलीट्यूड, वेवलेंथ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू कंसेक्यूटिव पॉइंट फेज और क्रेस्ट टू ट्रफ मीटर, एम्पलीट्यूड, मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल फ्रॉम इक्विलिब्रियम और मीन पोजीशन रेट रिप्रेजेंट एनर्जी ऑफ वेव, लार्ज एम्पलीट्यूड हायर एनर्जी, फ्रीक्वेंसी नंबर ऑफ वेव पासिंग अ पॉइंट पर सेकेंड, हर्ट्ज, time period, time taken for one complete oscillation, wave velocity, distance traveled by a wave per unit time. Two type of wave, mechanical or electromagnetic. Mechanical require a material medium, solid, liquid, gas to travel, cannot travel through vacuum. Particle of the medium oscillate around their equilibrium position. Medium required cannot exist without matter. Energy transfer, energy move without net movement of matter. Restoring force, disturb particle return to equilibrium due to elastic of medium. Sound wave, seismic wave, water wave. Two type of mechanical wave, transverse or longitude. Transverse wave, particle of medium oscillate perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Crest, higher point of wave, trough, lower point of wave. Wave on string, seismic wave, secondary wave. Longitudinal wave, medium, particle of medium oscillate parallel to the direction of wave. Compression, region where particles are close together, high pressure. Refraction, expansion where particles are spread apart, low pressure. Example, sound wave in air, seismic B wave, visual light in transverse electromagnetic wave. P wave, longitudinal like sound, solid, liquid, gas में S wave, transverse like string wave, 2.5 kilometer per second, solid only, not liquid gas. Surface wave, both type combined, slowest of all, Earth surface only. P wave arrive first at seismograph due to higher speed. S wave cannot pass through Earth's liquid outer core. Proved outer core is liquid. P wave are 1.7 times faster than S wave. Seismograph instrument that detect and record the seismic wave. Electromagnetic wave do not require a medium, can travel through a vacuum, consist of oscillating electric and magnetic field perpendicular to each other to direction of propagation. Transverse wave, speed of vacuum 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. Same for all EM wave. 4 characteristic, no medium required, self-propagating, constant speed in vacuum, carrying energy and momentum. Light wave, radio wave, X-ray, microwave. Electromagnetic spectrum, order lowest to highest frequency, longest to shortest wavelength. Radio, micro, infra, visible, ultra, X-ray, gamma. Mnemonics RMIVUXG, real men in vivid uniform, X-ray gun. मास्टर कंपैरिजन टेबल, रेडियो का वेवलेंथ ज़्यादा, एनर्जी कम, लोएस्ट पेनिट्रेट एटमॉस्फेरियस किलो 10⁻³ मेगा 6 गीगा 9 टेरा 12 पेटा 15 118। रेडियो वेव वेवलेंथ 1 से 100 किलोमीटर, फ्रीक्वेंसी 300 गीगाहर्ट्ज़ से कम, लोएस्ट एनर्जी ऑफ ऑल EM वेव, ऑसिलेटिंग चार्ज और करंट इन इंटेंस कम्युनिकेशन, रेडियो, टीवी, सेलुलर फोन, वाईफाई, ब्लूटूथ, GPS, सैटेलाइट, रडार, नेविगेशन। सब्जेक्ट टू इंटरफेरेंस फ्रॉम अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस, लिमिटेड बैंडविड्थ फॉर हाई स्पीड डाटा, माइक्रोवेव 1 माइक्रोमीटर से 1 माइक्रो, फ्रीक्वेंसी 300 हर्ट्ज से 300 गीगाहर्ट्ज, मेगाहर्ट्ज से गीगाहर्ट्ज, हायर एनर्जी देन रेडियो वेव। कुकिंग ओवन, एजाइटेड, वाईफाई, रडार, मोबाइल फ़ोन में कैरी लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डाटा, हाईली डायरेक्शनल, लेस सब्टाइल टू इंटरफेरेंस देन रेडियो वेव, ब्लॉक्ड बाई लार्ज ऑब्स्टेकल। इंफ्रारेड, हायर वेव वेवलेंथ 700 नैनोमीटर से 1 माइक्रो, 300 गीगाहर्ट्ज से 430 टेराहर्ट्ज, इमिटेड बाई ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट अबव एब्सोल्यूट जीरो कैल 0 -273.15, प्राइमरी एसोसिएटेड विथ हीट एप्लीकेशन, थर्मल इमेजिंग, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर कम्युनिकेशन, हीटिंग, मेडिकल, मसल, फूड प्रोसेसिंग, पेनिट्रेट स्मोक, फॉग, थिन लेयर, विजुअल लाइट 380 से 700 नैनोमीटर, फ्रिक्वेंसी 430 से 470 टेराहर्ट्ज, ओनली EM वेव डिटेक्टेबल बाई ह्यूमन आई, हायर एनर्जी देन इंफ्रा, लोअर एनर्जी देन UV, वायलेट 380 से 450, शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ, हाईएस्ट एनर्जी, ब्लू से बाद, और रेड लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ, लोएस्ट एनर्जी, विजुअल एप्लीकेशन, विजन, फोटोसिंथेसिस इन प्लांट, इल्यूमिनेशन, लाइटिंग, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर कम्युनिकेशन, फोटोग्राफी, मेडिकल, एंडोस्कोपी, VLC, विजुअल लाइट कम्युनिकेशन। वायरलेस मेथड इनेबलिंग हाई स्पीड डाटा ट्रांसमिशन यूजिंग विजिबल लाइट बाय मॉड्यूलेटिंग लाइट इंटेंसिटी, वेवलेंथ 375 से 480 नैनोमीटर, signal received by photodiode device that convert light signal into readable data. Short range optical wireless communication technology cannot penetrate wall, higher bandwidth than radio and Bluetooth. Immunity to EMI, not uses visible light, not radio wave. Ultraviolet wave, wavelength 10 से 400 नैनोमीटर, फ्रीक्वेंसी 7.5 से 3, invisible to human eye, high energy 95% of UV reaching earth from sun is UVA. Medical sterilizing equipment, disinfection, water purification, forensic, detecting fingerprint and body fluid, industrial curing, ink, adhesive coating. UVA long or UVB mid wave, UVC short wave, lowest, moderate, highest, deep into skin layer, outer skin layer only, absorbed by atmosphere. UVB essential for vitamin D synthesis in the skin. UVC most harmful but completely absorbed by Earth's ozone layer. UVA longest wavelength, lowest energy among UV. X-ray 0.01 to 10 nanometer, shorter than UV, longer than gamma, high energy, William Wrong 10. award first Nobel Prize in Physics. Medical imaging diagnosing fracture infection. No invasive imaging of internal structure. Overexposure damage living tissue and increasing cancer risk. Gamma rays 0.01 nanometer से कम. Highest frequency 30 eta hertz. Highest energy all EM wave. Radioactive decay, cobalt 60 nuclear reaction, fusion, cosmic phenomena, supernova, black hole. Medical radiation therapy to destroy cancer cell. Diagnostic imaging, PET scan, industrial new destructive inspection. Advantage penetrate most material. Limitation cause cell mutation. Cancer risk